Welcome to the Planisware Horizon series. Episode 3 will focus on project management.
Hey Lilith, there was a great AI expense report idea that recently got approval. Did you see anything on your end?
Oh yes, great timing. It just popped up in my backlog. I have to work on the details. Can we look at it together?
Sure, but I've got only 5 minutes.
No problem, that's more than enough. Let's log on to Planisware and start in our workbox. This is my personal book of work. And look, here's the project that I need to detail.
Great, let's dive in.
This charter here is a high-level view of the project. I can quickly find information about the scope, timelines, main resources, costs, revenues, etc. Let's have a deeper look at the schedule and delivery date. The only issue is that I am unfamiliar with how to run breakthrough innovation projects like this one.
Do we need to get someone to help us?
No worries. Let's first use Oscar, our chat bot. This will use generative AI to create a typical starting schedule based on all we know for this project.
Wow, using AI to generate the schedule for an AI project. Talk about innovation. How do you decide on the duration of these sprints?
Don't worry, we will still need project managers. Someone needs to review the output and coordinate with stakeholders. For example, I'm not sure we need this third sprint, so let's ask Mary, our project manager. Oh, and that makes me realize we are missing Mary as the PM on the project. Let's just do it right now. I can either look for a specific person or a role. I'll assign Mary, but only at 50%.
Wow, that was easy. And what about costs? I'm sure we will have some expenses for that project.
Sure, I can just manage it straight from here as well. Again, still high level, but I can detail it by cost account and time period if I want to. Lastly, something I like to do is to track what I've reviewed in my projects. I can create my own custom attribute and enter the information I want.
Neat. It seems very easy to personalize your project.
Next, we should look at the expected project deliverables. Clearly, we want an application up and running by next year, but to make it work, I bet that we will need to go through some stringent cybersecurity requirements. See, we are seeing a template for a technical analysis. If I want, I can edit it directly from here.
Wait, it actually opens Microsoft Office?
That's right, super handy. Office documents are fully integrated with Planisware. Not only can we view them directly within the solution, but we can pull data directly from documents into the Planisware data model. For example, we extracted the complexity field here, and we can even quickly request approval from Mary.
Wow, we really get faster updates ever since we connected MS Teams to Planisware.
Yes, approvals that used to take weeks take a few minutes now.
So we looked at timeline, resources, costs, deliverables. What else? How do we make sure this project is compliant with our process?
We can use the data quality audit for that.
Looks like we have a task with no link.
Sharp eyes, Frank. Yes, let's fix that right away. Well, now that I'm done with my updates, let's just make sure that you and your team know you can rely on the data in here. I can just update my status report in a couple of clicks, and voila.
I have to go, but that was awesome. Thank you for helping me build this project in 5 minutes.
And that wraps up episode 3 for our mini-series. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at planisware.com. We hope to catch you on our next episode soon.